Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by backing up your island or replay so changes are reversible and you can compare results. Next, open settings and enable HUD and damage numbers. This gives live feedback. Once done, gather the weapons and props you'll test and note current damage values in a quick clipboard or notepad to track changes. Make sure to use consistent range and target types. This ensures your adjustments affect numbers predictably and avoids chasing inconsistent results later. You'll now change the weapon or damage device values, edit base damage, headshot multipliers, and falloff. Once done, place a standardized dummy with consistent armor and test at fixed ranges to isolate variables. Make sure to change one parameter at a time so you know which tweak caused the effect. After each change, record the displayed numbers and compare to baseline. If numbers look off, reduce adjustments to small increments and repeat until damage matches your design goals. Finish by locking or publishing your island and saving device states so accidental edits won't alter damage. Then run full playtests across different loadouts to ensure changes hold under real conditions. If you see inconsistent numbers, enable damage overlays and check logs to identify scripting conflicts or multiple damage modifiers stacking. Make sure to test with other map devices that might override values. If things still fail, revert to your backup and reapply changes incrementally until stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.